Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Who gave him a driving license? What do you think happened here? This driver said he was rushing to work.
What? What the fuck?
What type of lane is this? Should he retake his vision test? Pass on shoulder and nearly hit two other cars. This idiot in a Corolla either doesn't see the traffic behind them or doesn't care. Too good to stop at red lights, I guess. This is how you drive when nobody can stand to be around you. When your life flashes before your eyes. This driver hated that I merged, proceeds to treat the highway like a game of bumper cars.
If you see me merging, why would you speed up? Like, that's unfair. Yeah.
A few moments later. Twenty minutes later.
I'm just going to try to squeeze in right here.
A few moments later. Eventually.
Got the number 3 lane shut down.
Cheap cam, but it made the difference in insurance believing it was a hit and run. That's why I hate driving here. This guy on a ladder trimming a hedge is one distracted driver away from getting hit.
But
Any drugs or alcohol in the vehicle?
no, of course not.
All right. Sit tight, sir. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Your registration is What the?
Sarah?
What the heck? Sarah? 3201.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.